Good morning. How are you? I hope you are all best and fine. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Already it is too late today. After holidays, so for 3 holidays, again we are going with our live classes and everything. And this schedule may discontinue till now. There is no festivals and no holidays now up to Christmas. Yeah, there is. It is a very important schedule for us. Why? Because already government is given somewhat clarity about our examinations. May it is in a May first week. Our examinations may it is in May first week. So there is till we have. I am good. All the students, please wait for 2-3 minutes. May our friends may have to join. Please, all the students involved in a chat box, everyone. You click on the YouTube and come to the chat box, everyone. Why? Because your principals are taken attendance from here only, most probably. Your attendance is also important for your internals. Yeah, all the students, in the last class we are discussed already about our acids and bases, somewhat chemical equations. Yeah, already we are discussing another is about neutralization. We already completed about neutralization. Okay, what is the neutralization? You know very well, one base is added with the acid or acid is added with the base. There is a what? One salt is formed concerned, but concerned is acids and bases salt may formed with the water. That is only the neutralization reaction. Here neutralized. Which is neutralized? The atomic nature, the acidic nature of acid is neutralized, and the basic nature of base is also neutralized. I hope got it. Acid nature is also neutralized, and as well as the basic nature is also neutralized. Got my point or not, all the students? I hope you got it. Yes, acid nature of acid, basis nature of basis. You know very well. In that experiment, what we are consider, there is a we take an HCl and as well as the NaOH, and it is tested with the phenolphthalein solution. It is tested with the which one? Phenolphthalein solution. Yes, clear or not, all the students? Phenolphthalein solution is nothing but what actually? You know very well. When you take a phenolphthalein solution for the acids, it's given colorless. And as well as when you take a basis, it is a convert into pink color. The basic solution is a convert into pink color. Yes, when you take that pink color solution, you add somewhat acid to it. It will be converted into the again its original nature. Suppose NaOH you take it here, it is a somewhat white color. Otherwise, the colorless solution may have it here. Okay, somewhat colorless nature is only have for it. And as well as when you add there is a phenolphthalein solution, it is a converted to pink color. And then when we are taken acid into it, it's a loss of pink nature. It's not a contain the what it's a pink nature. And from this one, what you conclude actually? Yes, here there is a what? Whatever the pink color is there, it disappear. Then we add acid. Okay, now and at that time. there is a what we conclude here. There is, suppose you take here methyl orange, there is also no change will be get for us. Okay, clear or not all the students? Suppose you take a methyl orange in that solution, there is a no change will be get for us. Why? Because I am taken methyl orange here. Why? Because I am taken methyl orange. Again, why I am not taken the phenolphthalein solution. My question is understood all the students? Once again I repeat it. First you take, there is our phenolphthalein solution in the basis. Automatically that solution is converted into pink color. You know very well. When it is converted to pink color, again you take here. What you have to take here? You take here somewhat acid. When you take acid, it is losses. The acid is makes a loss of that what? Basis nature of NaOH. Automatically again there is a pink color is disappear. In case again you take a phenolphthalein for that what is going on at that time, again you are taken here. It is no acid, the solution is acid now. No, it is not acid. It is basis, then it is not a basis. Why? Because here NaOH is there and as well as HCl is also there in that solution. It is acid is there and as well as basis is there. Then how do we check that solution? It is acid or basis? Yeah, it is in case you take a phenolphthalein solution, it is not given any change in that solution. In case you take here red litmus or blue litmus, may it is not given any change in that. Suppose you take a methyl orange, may it is not given any change in that. For which one it is occur? For which solution is gives this type of a situation? Yeah, it is the salt. Why? Because it is not acid, it is not basis, it is neutralizing solution. Here, because of sodium hydroxide, here it is the content somewhat acidic nature. Because of HCl, it is the content somewhat basis nature. So here combined together, the acidity of this HCl is neutralized by our basis, and the basis nature of sodium hydroxide is neutralized by acid. Okay, when we take an equal amount, in case you not take an equal amount here, you increase the amount of NaOH, again we get that our pink color solution. When we add the phenolphthalein or not, yeah, we got it. Why? Because it is somewhat basis nature is there. Okay, clear or not all the students? Like there is about one part in question is also given in our think and discuss after the completion of our whatever the chemical properties in our textbook, page number there is a 39. In that one there is somewhat think and discuss is there. What is that? In case three test tubes are contain acids, bases and as well as the salt solutions. Then how to decide it is acid, how to decide it is basis, how to decide it is a salt, which solution is suited for it. Okay, that is only very important question for you. Once you analyze it, you know very well for the phenolphthalein, for the methyl orange, for that what actually yes and litmus papers. Okay, clear or not all of you? It's a very important thing. There is only blue litmus is given, only red litmus is given. Okay, it is not possible to yes check it. Which one it is a better for us? Methyl orange is a better for us. Why? Because methyl orange is gives the compulsory yes reaction with the various acids and as well as the bases and as well as the salt, and it will give the outcome for it. Yes, in case it is acid, it is converted into red color. In case it is a basis, it is converted into yellow color. In case it is a neutralized solution, it is converted into compulsory. Yes, there is no change in the methyl orange solution. Okay, like that. Yes, we conclude about that. Okay, that is a very important question for you. And now there is what you understood from this equation. When you take our neutralized equation, it is neutralized equation in this one. In this neutralization, there is you take HCl, it is combined with the NaOH, it gives as what actually it gives as NaCl and it is converted as water. Here there is a whatever this acid is there and the bases are there. The both are become neutralized. Okay, clear or not, all the students? This is a very important. How to be written? This is acid plus basis gives rise salt plus water. Salt plus water. This is only the equation we have to written for our for our neutralization. Okay, these generalized equations are very important for you. Okay, now for everything till now we are completed about carbonates and hydrogen carbonates and other metals. These are so very important for you. Yeah, now the next there is one more think and discuss question is there. It is a very important, the page number 38 in that one. There is a one more think and discuss question is there. Once check it out here. What is that question? Is the substance present in antacid tablet acids or bases? And what the type of reaction takes place in stomach when an antacid tablet is consumed? You know very well, already we have discussed it. Yes? Yes, please, students, don't go with any other irrelated matters. Miss Bhavani Tulya. Don't write anything. Here, once again, I repeat it. Think and discuss. There is a most probably in annual examination 4 to 5 times the question may ask in our annual examination already. Asked already. What is that? What the substance is there in antacids tablets? Bases are otherwise acid. Tell me. Bases are otherwise which one? No one is have idea? Yeah, very good. It is a basis. It is a what? It is a basis. It is a content. So what actually basis solution is there? Okay, it is a content basis solution. Yes. Then what is the reactions are going on when we take an antacid tablet in our stomach? What is the reactions are going on? Tell me what is the reactions are going on. Yeah, there is a neutralization is going on. Which one neutralized? Here, when we have taken our whatever the acid is there in our stomach, you know very well. There is acid is the main role played in our digestion system. Yes, whatever the produced by our liver, yes, as enzymes, that is the contents of what actually whatever the acids are there, especially in our stomach, that is reacted with the what our basis solution, whatever contained in our antacid tablets or in antacid syrups. There is, it is a converted, it's a neutralized, and as well as it is a converted as a salt with water. Okay, clear or not, all the students? That is like a ENO. Okay, ENO is combined with HCl. What the reactions are going on? Okay, the same reactions are going at that hour. Suppose we have to take by tomorrow or day after tomorrow some what experiment. Okay, now why? Because we are going with at a time total experiment class only totally. Yes, from the total chemical reaction purpose. At that time I will show you. There is a when we are taken antacid tablets. Otherwise, ENO is a better thing to you. Yes, you know very well. Yes, when you take acid is gone. Okay, clear or not, all of you? Like that, there is a why it will be gone like that. When you take a small amount of diluted HCl and as well as the ENO solution is added to that. There is at the bottom it will be get somewhat salt. Okay, clear or not all the students? Like that situations are occur. This is only will be good. Yes, ants releases formic acid. Formic acid. Yes, ant releases formic acid. And now there is the next concept is what we have reaction with the reaction of acids with the metal oxides. Yes, reaction with the acids with the metals oxide. Yeah, when you take a metals oxides are nothing but copper oxide, okay now? Yes, and sodium oxide, magnesium oxide, like these things. Okay, clear or not all the students? Magnesium oxide or copper oxide, okay now? Yes, sodium oxide, like that. When you take your aluminum oxides, these all are metals already we are discussed. That metal oxide is combined with our HCl only. Every time I am taking HCl, you are taking any another acid also, there is no problem. I am giving it as a homework for you. You are write the chemical equations with the whatever our chemical changes are coming due to the acid reactions or basis reaction. Yes, with the another acids, you check with another acid. Okay, next when you take the copper oxide is combined with the hydrochloric acid. Hence it will be gives as a copper chloride. Okay, it gives as for us copper chloride plus what actually plus as water. Clear or not all the students? There is a what will be get for us 2 HCl, 2 moles of HCl when we taking here. I hope you understood all the students. Copper oxide is combined with, yes, which one? Yes, our any acid. It is a formula, copper chloride. It is a salt of copper. It is salt of copper, and it is formed as one more product, that is only water. Okay, clear or not all the students? That is only the water. Here, when you take a copper oxide, it is combined with the hydrochloric acid. It's formed as a copper chloride plus what? Plus water. Yes, means what here? Where it is a metal oxide. It is a what here? It is a metal oxide. This metal oxide is combined with acid. It is formed as a. What it is formed as a? Yes, salt. And as well as what here? Salt and as well as the water. Clear or not all the students? Metal oxides are combined with the any acids. There is again same. Which one is will get for us? There is what? It is not called a neutralizing reaction. Clear or not all the students? It is neutralizing reaction. No, it is not a neutralizing. It's formed as a salt. Okay, when it is combined with the metal oxides, here we not neutralized our acid. Okay, don't think like that. Okay, clear or not all the students? But it is formed as a salt when it is combined with the metal oxides. Okay, yes, like that it will be get for us. Yes, you take any of our yes, a metal oxide, it's a compulsory formed as here. What? One of the salt and as well as the water. Concerned metal salt may formed, and with that water is also formed in a product side. This is only about what? This is only reaction of acids with the metal oxides. Okay, clear or not all the students? And as well as next come to here another one. Here there is what we are considering here, reaction of bases with Non-metal is non-metal oxides. Okay, non-metal oxides. Okay, clear or not all the students? Reaction of bases with non-metal oxides. Here already we have discussed this. Okay, what is that? Reaction of metals bases with non-metal oxides. Okay, you know very well. When you take a calcium hydroxide, it is a carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a carbon is a metal? No, it is not a metal, na. Like carbon dioxide, otherwise the nitric oxide. Yeah, like this. These are not metals, na. You know very well. Sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon. Like that. These all are metals. These are the metal groups. Sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. These all are metals. Okay, now clear or not all of you? Yes, like that. Magnesium, calcium, like that. The first group, second group, third group, up to third group, we are taken it is the metals. Okay, clear or not all the students? Three groups, what is the groups, what is the periods, we'll get later. Yes, and now there is a what? Metal oxides, non-metal oxides is combined with the calcium hydroxide. It's a formed as here. What will we get for us? You know very well. Yes, one of the precipitated substance is formed as a calcium carbonate with actually water will we get for us. Okay, clear or not all the students? There is it is a carbonates are getting for us and with the water it will be get for us. Okay, clear or not all the students? And here when there is a metal oxides, depending on that metal oxide nature, there is a products will be get for us. Yes. Most probably every time the carbonates are only not get for us. Okay, there is another things are also get for us. Okay, like this we conclude about our main chemical reactions of bases with non-metal oxides. Okay, now like that will be get for us. Okay, there is only below this 39 page. In that 39 page number 39, we have important two questions are there for 1 mark questions. Okay, what is that? There is in that particular reaction when there is acids or bases are combined with especially bases are combined with our hydrocarbonates. At that time there is a carbon dioxide is getting for us. About the carbon dioxide also in the page number 39 there is a given one question for you. How to recognize the gases? Okay, clear or not all the students? That gas is what? Yes, which gas? Which is born off that our matchstick and as well as which is emitted. It's a various sour taste gas like that. Yes, you recognize that and answered it. Okay, already we have completed that component. Okay, this is only about especially our chemical equations and chemical reactions with acids and as well as the bases. Students, till now you have any doubts, please ask me. Yes, we already complete there is a what is the acid nature when it is combined with the metal, when it is combined with the metals and non-metals and as well as the carbonates and hydrocarbonates and as well as there is a what one acid is combined with another basis. And as well as we have taken the what metal oxides, non-metal oxides, how they react actually. Okay, clear or not all these points? Yes. Yeah, then next we have very important thing, that is only what is the common in acid, what is the common in acids and as well as what is the common in bases. What is the common in acid and what is the common in a basis. Before going to that part, already you know very well in our page number 34, in a page number 34 there is a given so many chemical formulas of acids and as well as the bases, especially 8 is a given. Yes, what is the common thing is there in that? Suppose when you take acid, there is a what will be having HCl, H2SO4, and as well as HNO3. Like this, what is the common thing is there? There is a what? Hydrogen is the common in this. Okay, clear or not all of you? When you go for bases, there is a what is there in that? NaOH, KOH. Okay, clear or not all of you? Like that, there is so many things are there in that one. Yes, calcium hydroxide. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, magnesium hydroxide. Here, there is a what we are taking? Magnesium hydroxide. What is the common thing is there in this? In this common thing is there. Once check it out. Already we are discussing. What is the common? Yes, is there in acid? What is the common thing is there in a basis? Tell me what is the common thing is there in every acid? Yes, there is a what is there? H. Okay, what is there here? OH. Clear or not all the students? Hydrogen is a common in the acids. Hydroxide ions is common in the in the bases. Okay, that is only we have to prove by one experiment. Okay, then how to prove it? Okay, you know very well. Yes, hydrogen is a common, or hydrogen is a form of ion. You know very well. Every chemical compound is in a compound. It is as like a ion. You know very well. Once it is formed as ion, afterwards only the sharing of electrons is possible. Yes, at that time only it is become as a chemical compound. In the 9th class we already completed this. Okay, now suppose you take HCl. Okay, in HCl, how the HCl is formed, you know very well or not? Yes, you have to know compulsory. There is a chemical bond lesson is not there in our further syllabus. You know very well. Yes, chemical bond lesson is not there. Because of that, how these chemical combinations are formed, there is somewhat difficulty to understand for you. Okay, why HCl is only there? Why it is not written as H2Cl? Actually, hydrogen is not have any identity as a H. Hydrogen is available in the form of H. You get it. Only one hydrogen. Yes, like that it will be possible to take. No, it is not have any possibility to take. Hydrogen is a diatomic molecule. It is available in the form of H2 only. Why it is available in the form of H2? Yes, and as well as why it is in a HCl is only there here. Why it is written H2O only? Why it is written the symbol of water H2O only? All the students once recall your 9th class syllabus. Okay, clear or not all the students? Otherwise, once you read before that only chemical bond lesson. Okay, now once you read the chemical bond lesson, further your future purpose, it is a very important. Okay, now we have to go to teach about that chemical bond lesson also, if we have time for us. Okay, why? Because it is the only concepts or only we have to go with the teaching of chemical bonds. Why? Because it is not for our examination, it is only for a concept based on. Okay, that concept now only we have to take. Once check it out. Here there is a why HCl be written. Why be written as HCl? Yes. Why the acids are common in every our acid? Hydrogen is a common for every acid. Okay, then is why we written HCl? Tell me. Yeah, hydrogen atomic number is how much? 1 it is. Hydrogen atomic number is 1. Once you take chlorine, what is atomic number of chlorine? 17. Okay, clear or not all the students? Now, you know very well, when our atom is become stabilized, when our atom of hydrogen is become stabilized, when our chlorine is become stabilized. Yeah, you know very well, when there is outermost orbit of any atom, not only hydrogen, not only chlorine, not only oxygen, not only the of 118 elements, whatever the elements 118 is there, in that elements, when outermost orbital contain either 2 electron or 8 electrons, one is what? Either 2 electrons or 8 electrons are there in outermost orbital. You know very well valency. It's called what? Valency. The number of valency is a compulsory either in a 8 or in a 2. Okay, na 2 means for everything is not for 2. Okay, only the nearby the helium inert gas. At that time only there is our atoms are stabilized. Otherwise it is not become stabilized. Clear or not all the students? Yes. Suppose there is a, you know very well, hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron. Up to this, may it is reaches the valence is a 2. Okay, na? Or otherwise above that, there is a what? 8 outermost electrons are there in any particular atom. Yes, that is become stabilized. Otherwise it is not become stabilized. Okay, clear or not all of you? It's always ready to disturb the other atom. Otherwise it is always ready to take a bond from other atom. Unstable nature it will be there. Okay, that's why only it's every time there is a hydrogen is there. It is a one more for what is the helium inert gas? It is a contain outermost orbital. How many? 2 electrons are there. Yes, and as well after chlorine, nearest inert gas for the chlorine is a what? Yes, there is a what? Suppose come to here, there is a helium and neon is there. Neon is a contain 10 electrons totally. In outermost there is a 8 electrons are there. Clear or not all the students? When you go for after neon, what is there? Argon. It is another inert gas. Argon atomic number is how much? 18. Yes, outermost orbital means what? 3 orbitals are there. In this one 2 electrons, in this one 10 electrons, in this one 8 electrons, in this one again 8 electrons. Okay, clear or not all the students? Suppose you take a neon will contain 2 orbits. There is a 2 electrons and there is a 8 electrons. Helium is a contain 2 electrons. Clear or not all the students? Like this, outermost orbital contain 8 electrons, it becomes stabilized. Our hydrogen is a contain 8 or 2, it's required 2 only. That's why it reaches 2. One more electron is required. And as well as the chlorine is also required, one more electron. Okay, that's why only there is a hydrogen is a become as ion H plus. Okay, it's a given, that is only called octet rule. Very good. Here there is a what here? Chlorine is a become minus. And they both are sharing that electrons. Yes, whatever the electron is there at hydrogen, whatever the electron is there in a chlorine, there is a 7 electrons are there in outermost orbital. 7 electrons. There is a 2, there is a 2, there is a 2, and one more. And these 2 electrons are sharing between hydrogen and as well as the chlorine. Okay, in this way there is a what? In a H plus ions are there. Where? In our acid H plus HCl, there is a H plus ions are there. As well as when you take a sodium hydroxide, suppose you take a common for what? Basis. Whatever the common for basis. For easy, KOH, you take a potassium hydroxide. You know very well. What is the potassium atomic number? There is a 19. You know very well. Potassium atomic number is 19. Yes, suppose there is a hydroxide ion. Totally you take here. Hydroxide ion. Hydroxide. Okay, now how it is we take? Here oxygen is there, hydrogen is there. Hydrogen contain how many electrons in outermost? 1 electron. Okay, clear or not all the students? Oxygen is a contain how many outermost electron? 2 electrons. Totally atomic number is 8, 90 and as well as the 1. Yes, for the stabilizer purpose it is a -1, it is become 18. It is become argon electronic configuration. And when you go for the our oxygen, then it is required 2 electrons. Clear or not all the students? And as well as our hydrogen is required, 1 more electron is required. Yeah, when we are taking these two, OH as a one, OH as a one of the ion, then the what will we get for us? Yeah, hydrogen and oxygen is combined together. There is a OH become. There is a what? It will be required. One more electron is required. Why? Because there is a what? H is already satisfied with oxygen electron, and one more electron is a blank is there for this. Yes, what is for oxygen purpose is there. There is a what? It is a become minus. It's a required one electron. OH is become minus, and K already K is one excess electron in outermost orbital. It's a losses, that is only become K plus. Okay now, OH minus. Understood all of you? Yes, like that only. When you go for H2SO4, when you go for HNO3, it is a become H plus. H plus is a common. H plus is a common in this way. Okay, got it? In the chemical bond nature I am given. But when you go for experiment purpose, there is a what? It is undergoes electrolysis process. Yes, like a water. When you go for electrolysis of water, H plus OH minus ions will be get for us. You know very well. H plus OH minus ions are get for us. In this one also there is a HNO3, H2SO4, H plus ions are common for us. And as well as when you come for our bases, there is a NaOH, Na plus OH minus ion, KOH, yes, K plus OH minus. Like that, there is a in our every basis, what is the common for us? OH minus ions are common for us. In every basis, what is the common for us? What is the common for us? H plus ions are common for us. Clear or not all the students? This is only about our acids and bases common things. So many students, it is not a good thing for you. Okay now, don't decide the class is enough till now. Don't. It is not a correct. Okay. Yes, we have the time for the maths class more 9 to 10 minutes. Okay. Yes, there is a what we conclude here. Now there is a H plus ions are there, and now there are the OH minus ions are there. Okay, now in acids there is we have the OH minus ions, and in in acids there is the H plus ions. In a basis OH minus ions are there. It's a very important to you. Yes, this chemical bond component may test like that also. Yes, may test like that also. How the HCl is a contain H plus ions. Yes, clarify with the chemical bonding nature. Like that may question may ask for you. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes? Yeah, there is in this way there is a what we will consider. Then next, what the experiment arrangement are there for us? Yeah, there is experiment arrangement is there of electrolysis of acids and electrolysis of bases. The both are there. Okay, you take a acid, and as well as there is a what when we are sent electricity through it, electricity is a flows through the acids. Yes, you know very well. When there is a one substance is a become as a conductor, when it is a contain the charges, when it is a contain ions, that time only there is electricity is a conducted through that particular solution. Got it? Yes, based on this particular principle. Yes, electricity is nothing but what? Flow of charges. Every time the charges are nothing but we are taken the definition as the flow of electrons. Okay, it is a not exact definition now. Flow of charges either may be negative charges or may be positive charges. Okay, clear or not all the students? Yes, either may be negative charges or flows or may be positive charges or flows. The current may be get for us. You know very well about this. Yes, that's why only based on this particular principle, the charges are flows. Okay, yes, based on that particular principle only we are deciding, and as well as we give the explanation for the common quality of acids and common quality of bases. Got it or not? That is only we have to go to discuss for tomorrow. Yes, flow of charges, anything but there is H plus ions are moves. Okay, that is we are taken as acids. OH minus ion we are taken it is, that is a basis. Okay now, because of OH minus ion the current flow will be get for us, it is a basis. Because of H plus ions the current will be get for us, that is called acids. Okay now, yes, that is only tomorrow we have to go to discuss. Thank you, bye.